Hello once again. This is just a video just for the fun of it. Not everything I set up is intended for the purpose of harming anyone or barbecuing somebody or electrocuting or even evaporating anybody. This is solely intended just for the fun of it. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, based on the fact that the gears complain as much as they do, and as noisy as the setup is, I know that the motor is not set at the correct gear ratio intended for the drive assembly of this RC helicopter. So once again, this video was intended for the sole purposes of just having fun. Hopefully nobody was harmed in the making of this video, especially me. And well, like I said, maybe I'll just upload some of these videos every now and then just to show that, hey, it's okay to have fun. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Sorry, I didn't mean to say video so many times. Oh.